Try to get a job. Why do I need a job? Charis lang. Okay, the comment is, you only love his money. There's no love. Wow, bravo!
No, there's no money. That's a problem.
Nara, natubag na iyong mga pangbas na ako, ha?
We have too much love but no money. Can you help us? Thank you very much.
Kay you, the basher is tell me na ano ko no, I only love his ano bank. Ote!
You see
So-
here? Huh? Yeah. It's hole inside. All the money going there.
Buslot ang bulsa!
Sorry. Huh?
Bitaw mga day no, tubagon ko na yung mga baguhan sa atuang comment section. Mga day, namo trabaho ka ni kung pag-vlog, trabaho man ni. So kung maingon mo nga, kwarta ra kung giapas yang kulo man ay kwarta.
Don't care our
Buslot
wonderful
noon, buslot.
situation, huh? Enjoy our vlog or scroll to the next. Okay, thank you.
Buslot gani ang bulsa na kay walay kwarta. Just maro to day.